This guy was on the road, so I picked him up. Maybe. This is Nilgiri blue flycatcher. It's a beautiful guy. He is. Anyway, when you're hurt, I don't ever want to take a picture of you. I'll give you some water. I'll place you somewhere first, and I'll give you water. Okay? Let's try to manage. Hi, baby. Let's go. Don't fly, okay? You be a good guy. Good? You can make this happen. Good boy. Yeah, take some water. Good, take some water, boy. Good? Better? Good boy. Good boy, good boy. That's nice, that's nice. Oh, hello, baby. You okay? Good boy. Okay, you got to take care of yourself. I leave you here. All right, good boy. Enjoy.